Hi, in this video we will assemble a Windex 10. We're starting by removing all of the parts from the box, the vane with its sapphire bearings and screw, the shaft with mast fitting, the pair of index arms, port and starboard. Turn the index arm so the wire side points upwards. Assemble the index arms over the thread and then assemble the shaft to the vane. Position the index arms into the slots. Use a well-fitting spanner to tighten the vane screw fully. On the assembly instruction sheet you will find an angle indication where you can adjust the tab arms to suit the yacht windward performance. Let's now assemble the Windex to the mast. If possible, remove the top cap and drill a 8mm hole. If the top cap is not removable, you need to drill a 1/4 inch hole and then tap it with a 5/16 inch thread. Then insert the mast fitting and tighten it using a well-fitting spanner. Snap the cap back and insert the Windex into the mast fitting. Tighten the screw just enough so it prevents the Windex from rotating. Now check and adjust so the two tab arms are lined up and pointing symmetrically aft. Now tighten the fixing screw firmly. And we're done! Let's now have a look at two graphics. This first shows the vane position at different apparent wind directions. This second graphic shows you how to identify a change in the apparent wind angle as small as 1 degree. Windex Dingy, Windex 10, Windex 15 and Windex XL are all members of the family of precision wind direction indicator for sailboats. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to assemble a Windex 10.